I remember the exact moment my heart almost beat out of my chest. It was not my first job, but it was the first time I flew my brand new DJI Inspire One. I had just dropped $6,000 on that machine. $6,000 of my own hard earned money, my savings. I stood there on a hot driveway, sweat stinging my eyes, watching a $6,000 asset hover over a house while my hands shook on the controller. I was there to deliver 10 photos. My fee? $150. I'm not joking. I did not stop there. I did it again and again. Till a moment, I convinced myself I was building a portfolio. But the truth was much uglier. I was risking a $6,000 aircraft, my insurance premiums, and my entire reputation for a fee that barely covered the fuel to get to the site. This is not a business. It is professional insanity. After the sixth or seventh job, the maths hit me like a physical punch. I realized that because I loved flying, I had built a job for myself, not a business. And it was a job where the boss, me, was the worst manager I had ever had. I never paid myself overtime. I never approved my holidays. I expected the employee to work weekends for free. I was obsessing over frame rates and energy filters, which is $25 an hour work. But I was ignoring my lead generation, which is $500 an hour work. I was the CEO, the pilot, the editor, and the janitor. I was risking everything for the scrapings off the table. Let's look at the maths, because math is the only thing that is real. Look at the commercial revenue forecaster. If you stay at the $150 price point, you are on a treadmill to the grave. To hit $100,000 in revenue, you have to fly 660 times a year. That's almost 2 jobs every single day, including weekends and holidays. You burn out and your gear will fail before you ever get ahead. Now, look at Tier 1, money and infrastructure. In this sector, they do not care about pretty shots. They care about assets that reduce corporate liability. One strategic contract here can be worth $20,000. You only need 5 of those a year to hit the same goal. 5. From this moment on, you need to understand one thing. The client assumes you can fly. That's the baseline. You need to stop selling the pilot and start selling the solution. Your controller is not your asset. It is a tool. You are the owner of a data acquisition company. Your job is to find the corporate problem, price the solution, and deliver the asset. Flying is just the commute. It's not the destination. When you send a studio-ready JSA to a mining safety officer, you are weaponizing your safety documentation to trigger the expert bias. You are providing a professional protocol that solves a 6-figure problem. That's how you shift from a technician to an empire builder. It's time to stop playing and start building the machine. I have built the commercial revenue forecaster to show you exactly where your business is bleeding. Click the link below to download it for free and join the waitlist for the Drone Pilot Masterclass Founders Cohort. We are not a flight school. We are business accelerator. Stop playing pilot and start building your empire. I see you in the next one.